everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Layla and this channel is dedicated to all of those of you struggling with eczema and topical steroid withdrawal. In today's video I'm going to be featuring some sweet treat recipes that are eczema safe, and in these recipes we have no gluten, no dairy and very little sugar. In terms of the sugar we add actually dates, raisins and perhaps just a little bit of maple syrup, but other than that we are pretty much good to go. In today's video we're going to be looking at three very simple recipes, one of which is a carrot cake which I do with a little bit of a white bean coconut frosting alongside also a blueberry jam and an apple butter, which you can incorporate on your pancakes with the bread recipe that I did in my last video, so go ahead and check that out here, and also perhaps to pop in your chai puddings. We're going to do a two-part series. Part one will be today and part two will be next week, and next week we'll be looking at some more sweet treats such as some oat cookies, some chai puddings and also perhaps some chocolate brownies. Before we head into the kitchen, you guys, I've got a big favor to ask you. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really means the world to me. I'm coming up to my 250 subscriber mark and it wouldn't be without you. So thank you so much to those of you who have already subscribed. And for those of you who watch my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It can really help those with eczema and topical steroid out there who are suffering, and they really could do with maybe a little bit of insight, a little bit of inspiration with some recipes as to what to eat and how to manage their skin condition. Also, you guys, please give me a big thumbs up if you get some value out of this video, and comment down below and let me know what you think of my recipes. And if you guys have got any recipes to share as well, or you have your favorite meal that you just can't live without and you'd like to adapt it to more of an eczema safe friendly recipe, then let me know and I can try and work on that for you, because we're all here to try and heal from the inside out and really target sort of more eczema safe, TSW safe friendly options. Sorry, I'm ranting so much. We're just going to head off into the kitchen and get started. The light, I will apologize in advance because it's really overcast today, it's raining, and if it gets really grey then we're going to have to put on a lot of lighting in the kitchen as it's quite dark. But anyway, let's get going. So we're going to start off with some carrot cake, some eczema safe friendly carrot cake, and all we need is 2 cups of shredded carrot, 2 cups of dates, half a cup of rice flour, a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I'm just going to give a very small teaspoon of some baking soda, and I've got 1 gluten-free baking powder as well I'm going to add to it. I'm also going to add a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of salt just for taste. So this, I'll just go back to this, is the gluten-free baking powder that I get from my organic bio shop, and that is probably about a tablespoon of baking powder. So I've chucked all the ingredients in a blender and now we're just going to give it a whiz. If it gets a bit dry, I just add a little bit of the water that the dates were soaking in. So I'm just going to a little bit there. So next up we're going to do our blueberry jam, and this is literally made with a cup of blueberries. I'm actually going to use frozen blueberries, but you can use fresh because that's all I've actually got today. And then you're going to have like half a cup of maple syrup and then 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, quite literally. And this is a great jam to have that's very low in sugar. The maple syrup's really low in insulin, so it's a natural sugar. It's very low in salicylates and low in histamines, which is brilliant. And I love this jam, again, on my bread recipe, on my pancakes, that sort of thing. And it's just an extra condiment that you can have in the fridge just for you, that's eczema friendly and safe. So 1 cup of blueberries. Wasn't expecting that. Turn the heat down. With my maple syrup. There we go. So here I'm just going to add my chia seeds. Very gently. So my carrot cake is out of the oven. I'm very gently going to pick it up because I really don't want this to break this time. So I'm going to put it very gently down like that. And there you have it. Let that cool. Next up, we're going to make our apple butter, and this includes 6 apples, some ginger, some cinnamon, some lemon juice, and some water. So whilst our apple butter is going to be reducing, we're going to do the frosting on our carrot cake, and literally this consists of 1 1/4 cups of white bean, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, also 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, which I've got in the fridge, and then half a cup of coconut cream. So I'm going to get ready to start blitzing my apple butter because it's nice and soft now. And as I said, I just add this to all sorts of ingredients, that recipes that I like my pancakes. Just make sure you feel like you're not really missing out every day and not allowed to have this and not allowed to that. It's just nice to be able to know that you can have a bit of apple butter, a bit of apple sauce, and have it, you know, on your bread in the morning, your pancakes and your chai puddings and stuff. So that's it for me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a good thumbs up and leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in part 2 of my next one. Bye for now.